Welcome you all dear students in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. I wish all of you are safe and sound from COVID-19 and will always remain safe. Before I start the content of this video, let me once again remind you to subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and don't forget to press the notification icon and do press the like icon if you like the video. So let us start the chapter. Actually, chapter has already been discussed many times in summary form and line by line explanation in English and in Hindi, and theme has also been told. Here in this part, I have taken the short questions with their answers so that you can understand it in a better way. Let's take the first question. Who was Dr. Sadao and who had always encouraged him to study, and how? Answer is here. Dr. Sadao was an eminent Japanese surgeon and scientist who was discovering to make the wound clean. His father always encouraged him to study by showing the islands in yonder. Yonder here means distance. And he used to say that they were the stepping stones to success. Now see dear students, they refers to the islands in yonder, and how they were the stepping stones to success, because those islands open the channels to go abroad. Now next question. How did Dr. Sadao meet Hana? And answer. While studying in America, once he went to Professor Harley's house, though he didn't want to go there. Why? Because he felt bored there. Rooms were very small and food was also not good. Moreover, his wife was voluble. Voluble means very noisy. All the time she kept speaking. But one night, Professor had invited his foreign students, and when Dr. Sadao went there, he met Hana there. Next question. Whom did the couple see one evening in the distance while standing outside? Answer is here. The couple saw a man staggering and then falling on the ground. Now staggering means he was walking unstable, about to fall, and then he fell. Fourth question. Who did the man turn out to be? The man turned out to be an American prisoner of war. Question number 5. What did the couple do with him and why? The couple first thought of throwing him into the sea, but none of them dared do that. Dr. Sadao told that if the man had been in his senses, he would have done that. Let me do a correction here. This is absolutely wrong, which has been done by me only, but I want to correct it. The sentence is now correct. Dr. Sadao told if the man had been in his senses, he would have done that. That refers to he would have thrown the man into the sea. And both of these were the superb example of kindness and compassionate behavior. Question number 6. Dr. Sadao was in a dilemma on the point of American soldier. What solution did Hana give? Now see the answer. She suggested that once he would be alright, they would hand him over to police. Next question. How did the servants react on Sadao's action of bringing POW? Now Sadao's reaction was, servants' reaction was, they criticized and showed their anger. The old gardener questioned why the master healed his wound. He also said that gun and sea waves would take revenge, and this last line clearly hints that the servants were, especially the garden, was supernatural. He was orthodox. Question number 8. How did Yami show her refusal to wash the white man? See the answer? She made a stubborn look appear on her face even if Hannah assured that they would hand him over to police after the operation. Now stubborn look here means very strict look. She further posed that she was a poor one and couldn't take that risk. Question number 9. Why does General not want to be treated by other surgeons? He believes that the best surgeons are trained in Germany, but they are ruthless. That means they are very harsh. Whereas Americans are sentimental and value life. So he trusted only Dr. Sadao as he was educated in America and was very skilled. 10th question. Why did Dr. Sadao treat the American soldier even though it was an unpatriotic act on his part? Let us see the answer. His professional ethics of treating an injured one in need, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and nationality, compelled him to treat the American soldier. Moreover, his compassionate and considerate self brought out his basic inward goodness of a real human being. That is why he treated the enemy soldier. So, dear students, professional ethics, that means professional values. This is taught especially to a doctor. Question number 11 now. On the 7th day of having the American soldier brought, what two things happened and of which was Hannah scared? Answer. First was that servants had tied up their belongings and decided to leave from there in opposition. Second was a messenger who had come to call Dr. Sadao to meet with General. Hannah was scared of the second one. That means that messenger's arrival she was scared of. She thought that servants had informed about the presence of POW there. POW means prisoner of war. 12th question. What type of man was Dr. Sadao's father? Answer. Dr. Sadao's father was a traditional Japanese man. He was extremely attached with his son and he was concerned about his future. His motivational words and guidance had always encouraged his son to do the best. He valued the feelings of his son and respected too. His consent of marrying him with a girl of his own choice proves this. And everything in his room, being pure Japanese and traditional, speaks volumes of his love for the country. And his love for tradition and culture is adorable. Next question. Why and how did General offer to help Dr. Sadao to rid of POW? The General Takima offered to send his private assassins who would kill that man noiselessly in the darkness of the midnight. They were expert in causing internal bleeding. Moreover, they would remove the dead body too. And this was how doctor would not fall in any trouble. Now students, I have taken this last question and this is a bit longer and I hope you will cope up because we can't help, I couldn't help making this answer short. What impression do you have of Dr. Sadao as a man and as a surgeon? Answer. Dr. Sadao is not only a skilled surgeon but also a renowned scientist who is making a discovery of rendering the wound clean. His perfection is evident from the fact that General Takima trusts him only for his medical ailments in front of a lot other skilled surgeons. Dr. Sadao is the superb example of true humane feelings even for his enemy. The ethics of medical profession are embedded deep in his mind. Embedded here means imprinted. As a surgeon, his expert fingers move in tune with brain to find out the bullet near the kidney of the American, as he has a thorough knowledge of the human body. He is also very much dedicated to his professional and human body. Professional and his anatomy professor is the inspiration behind that. So, students, his anatomy professor used to tell him all the time that if a doctor operates upon without the physical knowledge of the body, that is a sin. And that is why he was dedicated to his profession. And he is in the habit of developing a bond with his patients while operating on. When he talks to Tom while operating, friend, it is near the kidney. Dr. Sadao regards the feelings of his father, and without his consent, he won't do anything. He waited for his consent to marry the girl of his own choice, and his love for tradition and culture is adorable. As a man, he not only saved a human being, but also looked after him and made arrangements for his safe departure. So, dear students, this was all in today's video. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye.